What up, guys? Welcome back. We're gonna try Pro Speed, Meguiar's new polish. I actually put a spray nozzle on it because I just like to do it. This paint is trash. I'm just gonna do a little square, do maybe 2 full passes. So I'm gonna do 2 things. So I'm gonna try the wool Rupes cutting pad. Pretty dope. Check out this package. Pretty cool package. First time using it. Thick backer. It's like, I think this is like a medium. This isn't their really heavy. Yeah, so look at how trash this paint is. I just want to see the cutting capability and then the actual shine. Just run a quick 2-step on it. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and tape off a little spot. Just for camera's sake, I'm gonna tape off just like a little square. I know this paint's trash. I'm planning on doing a 2-step. So I got the Rupes cordless hybrid. Thing's dope. I've been using it a lot lately. I recommend everyone to get one. Get more batteries. I would probably more like 3 batteries. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. I'm using a lot first time for my prime. I'm just gonna go up. I'll go side to side, up and down. I'm gonna do 2 full passes. And then we'll just take a wipe and then just go ahead and see how it cuts. So this is just the cutting and then the wipe off of the Pro Speed. Let's just see how it goes. Start on 1 and then ramp up. Right off the bat, the working time doesn't seem that great. It's not really cutting that great too. So there's 1 pass up and down. So that was 1 pass up and down. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. I'm gonna go do 2 passes, and then if it doesn't cut, I'm gonna switch actually to a more aggressive, maybe a microfiber. That's normally what I would do. So let's go again. Cutting wise, taking imperfections out and the scratches doesn't really cut all that. It's not that aggressive. It's not supposed to be. It does have protection in it. Wipes off nice. Okay, there's 2 passes. Here to here, this paint is extremely trash. Like you look over here, we already started sanding it. We're gonna sand this whole job, look at. So I would say that's a good 2 steps. I have IPA. I'm just gonna spray it and see to get out my filter and see how the actual paint really looks. There's still quite a bit of scratches. Honestly, it's hazed up quite a bit. But it cut good. It's taking out scratches pretty decent. I'm gonna switch pads. I'm actually gonna go to full polish. I'm gonna go hit this over there. Let's see if it's gonna take out that haze. Go over this a few times to knock that haze down. Okay. I would say like a good 2-step. So it's not really too aggressive. I would have went through something. I honestly probably would have just went with like this Meguiars, or not Meguiars. I would have just went with the Rupes BA Fine. I probably could have got to that level with the 1-step. So let's actually just try that out. Let's just I'll grab another fresh pad. So you know, another fresh pad. I'm just gonna do how I would do. So you've seen this from here to here. I'm just gonna do up and down, side to side, 1 time, the same thing, and then let's just see the 2-step difference. Okay, I think the first 1 step on there, it cuts better, and the gloss is different. Let's go 1 more time on it, let's see. Rupes compared to using the Meguiars, the Rupes is a little bit more grabby. So maybe it just bogs up, maybe because it's more aggressive, maybe clear coat bogs it up. It's really hazy. All right, now let's go to another fresh pad, another fresh blue Rupes foam. You gotta really use quite a bit to break these in the first time. You want to use more more compound than you normally would do, at least just for your first initial couple passes. Damn. Okay, so this is the two-step with Rupes. We've got the two-step Rupes high performance. That's the two-step there. So this is the two-step Meguiar's Pro Speed, and then this is the two-step here. We can definitely go more and just hammer it out and get it out. I'm gonna actually go to here, and I'm gonna do normally what I would do and not a two-step. I'm gonna grab my other tool, rotary, I'm gonna knock out this side. So two-step Pro Speed, two-step Meguiars, Pro Speed Meguiars, two-step, Rupes Fine, two-step. All right, now I'm gonna come over here. I'm just gonna do probably 3 full passes and see if I can get better. That wipes off really good. Okay, so that's a one-step with the Pro Speed, two-step with Pro Speed, two-step with Rupes. Now I'm gonna switch over here and I wanna do just a one-step with Rupes. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a one-step here, and let's see who's the winner. Okay, so we did one-step Rupes, two-step Rupes, two-step Pro Speed, one-step Pro Speed. So the combination, if I was gonna do this myself, like Pro Speed does wipe off a little bit better. Like it's a decent wipe and it's not as sticky, but the cutting from Rupes is still the stuff I'm gonna use. Just so you could just tell like the big difference of the one step. If I probably microfibered this before, here, I'll make it, let's just make it glass. All right, so this is what I would do, two-step with my microfiber, with a Meguiar's microfiber, and then my blue Rupes. Pro Speed is good, it'll do the job, but not for me. What's up? Pro Speed, it's a dud, don't buy it. No, you can buy it, it's all good. Jamie, Shine guys around here, let me know what's up. Peace out.